Wisdom of the centuries. Timeless principles for mastering life. Mastering these principles often takes years, yet they can be distilled into a moment of understanding. 1. Time is indifferent to hesitation. Each day unfolds with or without your participation. Therefore, rise with purpose and persevere regardless of circumstance. 2. Self-preservation is paramount. Should you falter, the world will continue unabated, and you alone will bear the consequences of neglecting your well-being. 3. If you do not construct the life you envision, you will inevitably labor to build another's. Take ownership of your aspirations, lest the ambitions of others overshadow them. 4. Conduct your efforts in silence and celebrate your victories in private. The world harbors those who delight in diminishing the success of others. 5. Regret is a futile indulgence. Instead of lamenting the past, extract wisdom from its lessons and proceed forward with clarity. 6. The indifference of others is a given. Thus, strive relentlessly to refine yourself, for self-improvement is both your burden and your liberation. 7. Only heed counsel from those who embody the life you seek. The misinformed cannot guide you toward wisdom, nor can the unfulfilled teach fulfillment. 8. Master your emotions, lest they master you. A mind governed by tranquility is equipped to navigate all of life's tribulations with poise and resolve. Through discipline and measured thought, one attains sovereignty over life's uncertainties. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you do not miss out on other pearls of wisdom.